To set up the focus mode on Redmi Note 14 Pro plus 5G, we need to open the settings. In these settings, we need to scroll all the way down in order to find digital wellbeing and parental controls, and then go over here. Scroll down a little bit to find the focus mode here. Once you open it, then you can select apps that you find distracting that you wish to be disabled during the focus mode. So let's say I'm going to choose the MI video, and of course we can also unfold the list of more apps. So I'm going to also disable the Chrome browser, and let's say that is it for now. And then we can just turn on and off, so we can manually turn on and off the focus mode by tapping on this button. We can also take a break during the focus mode. If you select this option, then you can choose to take a break for 5 minutes, 15 minutes, or half an hour. And you can also create a schedule for your focus mode so that the focus mode will be automatic. It will turn itself on and off based on the schedule that you create over here. So you can choose the time when it starts and when it should end. And you can also choose the days of the week during which the schedule will work. And then you can set it up by pressing set. So if you set it up, you can of course also turn the schedule off or delete it by pressing this trash icon here. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.